Why forecasting matters. Imagine knowing what could happen next in your business. Forecasting helps us make smarter decisions by exploring different possibilities. Ever wondered what would happen if you could test 100 what ifs at once? Let's find out. What is forecasting in Excel? In Excel, forecasting means predicting future outcomes based on current data. It's like planning your weekend based on weather reports, but Excel does the math. We will use tools like data tables and scenario manager to try different possibilities. Excel has powerful tools for what-if analysis. Scenario manager, save and compare multiple sets of data. Data tables, test how different values affect outcomes. These tools can make forecasting fast and easy, even for complex data. Scenario manager allows you to store different input values and create various outcomes in seconds. Imagine you are selling ice cream. You want to know what happens if prices go up by 5%, 10%, or 20%. With Scenario Manager, you can test each case without changing the original data. Forecasting sales example. Let's assume you want to forecast your sales for next year based on different pricing models. Enter your baseline data, example current price and units sold. Step 2, use Scenario Manager to create scenarios using various prices. And then next, compare the results and see how price changes impact sales. Data tables allow you to change one or two variables and instantly see how they impact your results. Example, what if you could instantly see how changing the price or quantity of a product would change total revenue? It is a faster way to explore multiple possibilities. Let's explore how changing both price and number of units sold affects revenue. Set up your formula for revenue. Use a data table to input different price and quantity combinations. Excel shows you all possible outcomes at once. With these tools, you can explore endless possibilities and make confident decisions. Now that you know how to use Scenario Manager and data tables, imagine how much time and energy you can save.